Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Isn't that what you really want? Today is Sunday. It is a day to renew your spirit. So I hope that you had a great Saturday, that you had a nice family fun day. I know Larry and I sure did. As a matter of fact, I'm recording this Saturday afternoon and we have just come back from St. Augustine. I'll put a few pictures on our Facebook group so you can see those. But for Sunday, it's Renew Our Spirit Day. So what do we want to do? Everybody, we're going to get up early before the family and do our morning routine. Remember, that includes making your bed. It includes swishing out your sink swiping your sink and swishing out your toilet. It includes emptying the dishwasher. Those are the household things. The personal things are changing into your clothes, putting your pajamas away, washing your face, brushing your teeth, putting on some moisturizer, a little makeup if you wear it, a little jewelry if you wear it, fixing your hair, going into the kitchen, emptying, well, you already emptied the dishwasher, but make sure that you do empty the dishwasher or the dish rack, and then make yourself some breakfast and get breakfast started. Then go on into the bedroom and wake up the kiddos and get them up, get your husband up. Let's go in, let's get going. We have a morning routine. Make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put your pajamas away, put on your clothes, wipe the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up your towel, come to the kitchen, eat some breakfast. And then we're going to go to church. It's an exciting day because this is a day that we renew our spirit and we get a chance to worship. Then when we're through with that, we're going to come home and we're going to have a wonderful family day. Now don't forget that there's a third part to your morning routine. And that's if you have pets or other responsibilities. So if you have a farm, then you need to go milk or collect eggs or pull weeds. I don't know, anything you might have to do in the morning. Let the chickens out, whatever. If you don't have that responsibility, great, one less thing, but maybe you need to walk the dog or something like that. So make that a part of your morning routine before the family gets up, if that's your job alone. Now, if it's the families, make sure they do that before they put on their dress clothes, okay? So maybe they have some quickie clothes to put on to do those kinds of chores. Most of us won't have that, but I know many of you homestead, and so that's what you'll do. Then you're going to go and worship, and when you come back, you're going to feel so relaxed and so fulfilled. Now you're going to have a nice dinner together. And after dinner, when we in the South have Sunday dinner, it's around 1 or 2 o'clock. So we have a nice big dinner. That's our biggest meal of the week. And then everyone helps clean up. Then we can rest and relax together, lay around, play games, watch movies, whatever. And then for dinner at night, for supper, it's, you know, a roll with some meat in it and a little leftover salad or whatever it is, just some leftovers. Zap them in the microwave, warm them up in the oven, whatever. Then make sure that all your dishes are in the dishwasher tonight before you go to bed, and turn it on so that in the morning you can put them away. Today is a really good day to look at your planner and see about this week. What's going on this week? If you've already made up your menu and you've already started eating part of that menu, then put the rest of it in your planner if you haven't already done so. Think about what days you're going to do what. And if you're following the plan that I give you, that is on Monday, we're going to do our weekly home blessing hour. On Tuesday, that's a free day. Plan to pamper yourself. On Wednesday, that's the day we do our planning and desk day, and we take care of the things that need to be thrown out in the refrigerator, or take some inventory, make our menu, make our grocery list. On Thursday, that's the day we run our errands. We buy our groceries. On Friday, that's the day we clean out our purse and our car, and we have date night. Saturday's Family Fun Day, Sunday's Renew Your Spirit Day. So put that down each day in your calendar or in your journal. And then we're going to be in Zone 4 this week. That is the master bedroom. So starting on Monday, master bedroom, master closet, and if you have one, master bathroom. So if it's not already decluttered, then you're going to spend 15 minutes a day for 4 days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, decluttering. And at the end of the 15 minutes, when the timer goes off, turn off your music, throw your garbage away, put the recycles in the trunk, and take the time to put everything else away. Clutter without a home is called unhomed clutter. That's the worst kind. It either needs to be gone or it needs to have a home, and something else needs to go if there's no room for it, okay? All right. So that's your plan for the week. Put that in your plan. Any other things that you have, a special appointment, a meeting, something with the kids, a ball game, whatever, your sister's birthday, make sure it's all in there. Make sure if you send birthday cards that you check on Sunday to see what you need to send out this week if you haven't done so already. All right? If you do send cards, some people don't anymore, I know, but you know, I was born in 1953, so I send cards. And what else? But you know, it's okay if you don't. It's all right. You know, you get to live your life and be the CEO of your life and the CEO of your home. So that's it. It's a super simple day. You're just going to make some plans, and then tonight you're going to look at that book and make sure before you go to bed that you've laid out the proper clothes for tomorrow for yourself and your children, and that you have a plan for this week. If you work, then you might want to break that plan up a little differently. You may say, I'm not going to do weekly home blessing hour because I don't have an hour to commit to that plus 15 minutes in my zone. But I can do 15 minutes in my zone or less if there's no clutter. You just pick one thing to deep clean, which just means you're going to clean one thing. It doesn't mean you're going to, I've said it before, take a chisel and get in there and clean it. You're just going to clean it. And every month you can hit it again if you need to. But you're going to have that plan, and then you're going to maybe break that weekly home blessing hour up into 6 days. And on Tuesday you'll do 10 minutes as well as Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But it'll sure help you on Saturday to have an easier family day. Or better yet, if you can delegate, those are such simple little things, except for stripping your bed and doing your own sheets. The family can help you do these things. They are not hard things, 10-minute items. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous Renew Your Spirit Day. And always remember that you are beautiful.